To grow your TikTok account in 2024, there are some steps, there are some tricks, there are some strategies you need to use. Not just any strategies, the right strategies. Else, your video will be stuck from 0 to 200 views, or let's say highest 500 views. And I know that is not what you want. Welcome back to Victory Design YouTube channel. My name is Hemusa Omi, the social media manager. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Perhaps this is your first time of watching me or seeing me on your screen and you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel. Please just take a second, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notifications for more and more videos that will help you in your social media journey. Let's dive into what we have today. A lot of people have so many content to dish out on TikTok, and a lot of people wants to go viral so that people will actually see their content and make them viral. They get monetized on TikTok, especially for the ones using international TikTok account. Now, but there are some things they are not getting right. These tips I'm going to be giving you today is actually for beginners. Yes, if you're just beginning on TikTok or you just open a new TikTok account and you are frustrated, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to do, this video is actually for you. So many people are making this mistake of using steps, of using strategies that were actually, outlined for them 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years back on TikTok. And this is the reason why most of them are not actually getting views. Their videos are not getting viral. It's not like they don't post, they have the right content, they have everything, but not even one has gone viral. Now, this is a mistake that I'm making. This is because the algorithm, it actually changes. It's not something that is just fixed. Over time, it changes. Sometimes we don't even notice it. It's maybe after 5 months or 3 months before we notice that the algorithm has changed. Yeah, it's also not only on TikTok, it's also on other platforms. So, with these steps I'm going to be giving to you today, with this knowledge I'm going to be giving to you today, is actually for personal brands, business brands, faceless content, anything you want to do in TikTok. If you apply these steps I'm going to be giving to you now, it's actually going to work for you. The first one is, do not post for the next 24 hours. Yes, as a new beginner. When I mean new beginner, I mean you just open this TikTok account. Yes, you just opened it, put your profile picture, and edited your profile somehow with the words and everything you want to be doing. Do not post any content on that TikTok account for the next 24 hours. Yes, you heard me right. Because so many of us, we actually, yes, I know we have content that we actually want to push out, we want to go viral so quick, we want to grow followers so quick. So we go to all this grow host live and then we start doing follow for follow and all that. Hear me out. I'm not saying it's bad. What I'm saying is actually going to affect you because you are just opening this TikTok account. Now, the algorithm doesn't know you. TikTok doesn't know you. It doesn't even know if you're a real human being or it doesn't even know if you're a robot. It doesn't know the kind of content you want to, be dishing out. Yes, it doesn't know the kind of audience to give to you. So that is why I advise that you shouldn't post for the next 24 hours. Now, what will you be doing during this period of time? Will you just close the TikTok account and just face other apps? No. What you have to do, go to your For You page, your normal page, and what you do, you engage with accounts that align with your niche. Yes, that align with the kind of content you want to be pushing out. Follow them, like their videos, comment. When I mean comment, I don't say go and comment, follow me, I follow you back. Or don't go and comment, I'm new here, follow me. No. Comment something intelligent. Yeah, okay, let me say like this. I actually used this step for my TikTok account, and then I committed something very intelligent on kind of something on an account, a content that was actually aligned to what I wanted to do. And I've not posted though. I've not. It was not even up to 24 hours that I have to post, and I already had like 5 people following me because of that content. They actually reacted on my comment, and then they followed me through them. So make sure that any comment you are dropping is intelligent and is aligned to what that person posted. Then you can save the video in case you need ideas or inspirations or something like that. You can save the video. You can also share the video. Do that for 10 to 20 accounts for that period of time. Now, this enables TikTok to know who you are, to actually know that this person is a real human, not a robot. And also, it only gives TikTok the time to understand who you are, what kind of content you want to indulge in, you want to be engaging with, so that whenever you open your TikTok account, those are the content that they just push out to you. And also, it makes TikTok understand the kind of audience you want. All right. So that's that for that. Make sure that you don't post for the next 24 hours, no matter how tempted you are to do it. Just hold on and do these other things that I told you to do. Then the next one, hashtags. Yes, hashtags. Those hashtags really matters. You know, when I actually first opened my account, I was this lazy type, like, oh, let me be looking for hashtags to use, hashtags and hashtag. I don't really like hashtag, but I came to understand that through experience and some things are actually put into use, that hashtag really matters, especially for you that is just starting your TikTok account. Yes, but that doesn't mean that you should use like 20, 15, 10 hashtags. No, that is actually wrong. Now, hashtag really matters because based on hashtag, it actually tells TikTok who this your video is actually for, who you want it to go to, your target audience. You understand? So that's why hashtag is very important. So for you that is just beginning, you can use 1 to 3 hashtags, please. Yes, 1 to 3 hashtags. And those hashtags are hashtags that actually have to, that aligns with what you are posting. Let's say, for instance, I want to be posting about food, okay? I should look for hashtags like hashtag foodie, hashtag lunch ideas, hashtag breakfast ideas, hashtag dinner ideas, something like that. But it's not actually wrong when I go to use hashtag rest in peace, hashtag fashion killer, what other hashtag they use again. So what I'm trying to say is use hashtags that are aligned to the content that you are creating. Yes, some of you will like, oh, let me use trendy hashtag. Let's say maybe somebody just died, and then you go use the hashtag recipes Okoye or hashtag HP, and you put the person's name. That is the hashtag that is trending, and you actually use it. Yes, it's actually good to some extent, but you are giving the wrong message to TikTok. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Because your content is not aligned with the hashtag. So that hashtag, TikTok will push that hashtag to people that are looking for recipes and so on and so. And that is not your target audience. That means even if that video actually goes viral, the followers that are following you, they're following you because of that. When they come in and see food ideas and stuff like that, they don't really, it will take time for them to actually engage in. But that's why you see some people, they have like 10K followers, but their videos are not engaging, their followers are not even engaging, because what they actually followed you for is not what they are saying. Now, this is why I will advise you to use hashtags that are related to your content. Now the next one is timing. Does timing really matter when it comes to posting? Because of course, there are people, billions of people are on TikTok are 24/7. Even when they are at work, they just take some time to just scroll, to see what's up, to remove their mind from some certainty. So they are always on TikTok. Yes. But for you that is beginning, I would advise that you post late in the afternoon. And when I mean late in the afternoon, I mean from that 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Yes, why must you post around that time? Because eventually this is when many people are already at home, they are done with their works, the students have closed from school, people that are hustling, at least they are back home, you understand, and they will just want to quickly take a time to go to TikTok to know what TikTok has for them. Do you understand? And by so doing, your own might pop up. This is why it's advised for now that you are starting up your TikTok account, you have to post late in the afternoon. Then when you grow your audience, like when I actually started, I started with this late afternoon. Then when I started getting from 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers. Then I had to check the metrics. Yes, check the metrics. It will actually show you what time your followers will be online, what time your audience are always online. Do you understand? And another thing is that make sure you check it. Make sure you check that metrics like every week. You could pay every Saturday or every Friday or every Sunday, because sometimes it changes. When I said mine was at 7 p.m. Then after I checked it again, it went over to 4 p.m. After I check it again, sometimes it's 12 p.m., sometimes it's 10 a.m. It changes depending on your audience. So that's why you have to check it. This is for when you've gotten audience like 1,000 followers. You can start now doing for metrics, so you know when your audience they are really, really, really online. And talking about timing, when you want to post, especially for the metrics, you post 30 minutes to time. You understand? Let's say it is 7 p.m., you post 6:30. Yes, you post 30 minutes to time. Don't just post at that particular time. All right. Then we go to the last one. This actual one is going to make some of your videos go viral. Yes, it's going to make some of your videos go viral. And it's called the copy paste method. The copy paste method, this is whereby you actually go to TikTok, search for content that are actually aligned to what content you want to be dishing out. Then TikTok will actually show you 3 to 5 top contents that their videos went viral. All you need to do is you download the video or you watch the video, the same music they use, the same hook, the same style that they use. You use it. The only thing that is going to be different is that it's a different face that is going to be doing it. It's not the same face. This is what we call the copy and paste method. Then you copy their hashtags, the hashtags they use, so that at least you will have like 4 or 5 videos that will go viral. And then when you've gotten to 4 or 5 videos, when 4 or 5 of your videos have actually gotten viral, what you need to do, then you start testing out other hooks, test out other music, test out other content ideas, content strategies, so that with time goes on, you'll be able to produce original content of your own. I hope we actually understood these steps. What you need to do for me as a beginner, go to that TikTok account and apply these steps I've actually told you about, and then come back with massive results. I would actually like to chip this in for those of you that actually goes to buy views or buy followers. Make sure that it actually aligns, because take for instance at TikTok now, you have 10K followers and you don't have engagement, or let's say you don't have engagement. TikTok will eventually send something that you actually bought followers, or let's say you bought views, you have 2 point something views, or let's say 2 million views, and your likes, comments, and shares are not even aligned. It's not even matching. Just imagine 2 million views and you are having 0 likes, or you are having just 100 likes, no comments, no share. TikTok will actually see that something is wrong with this account, and then they will start limiting your videos, bringing down your videos. That is why so many of your views are actually going down, going down. Before you know it, you stop having views. So make sure you don't do that. Let it be aligned. There is no way you live. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and then drop your reviews. Tell me if this video was helpful or not. See you next time.